Barely 4 months into his service, a young Lieutenant Balwant Singh led the Indian Army's Ghatak platoon in a strategic assault on Pakistani intruders during the Kargil War and was among the brave soldiers who captured Tiger Hill on July 4, 1999. Colonel Singh said the battles of Tololing and Tiger Hill were decisive battles. He was honoured with the Mahavir Chakra for his valour.
8 to 10 kilometer stretch can be visible from National Highway, from top of Tiger Hill of National Highway 1 Alpha, and you can't do any movement on this road. And they were having all weapons, automatics and anti-aircraft guns and other missiles on Tololing and Tiger Hill. So both the features were very important to capture.
Raised in 1976, the 18 Grenadiers played a pivotal role in the war. The battalion was conferred with 52 honours, including a Paramveer Chakra, 2 Mahavir Chakra, 6 Veer Chakra, several Sena medals and a commendation card of the Chief of the Army Staff. On Wednesday, Colonel Singh and many other Kargil heroes from the battalion recalled the heroics of its brave hearts in Operation Vijay.
टाइगर हिल में अच्छी बात ये थी कि मेरे पास रिकॉनेसेंस के लिए पूरा टाइम था और मेरे पास आर्टिलरी 120 गन्स थी, मल्टी बैरल रॉकेट लॉन्चर थे, मेरे पास हाई एल्टीट्यूड वॉरफेयर इक्विपमेंट था, इंजीनियर्स थे और मतलब सारे जो भी एक ज़रूरी चीज़ें थे पूरी तैयारी के साथ। और सबसे बड़ी अच्छी बात थी कि इतना नुकसान होने के बाद भी 18 ग्रेनेडियर के जवानों का जो मनोबल था वो बिल्कुल सातवें आसमान में था, जिसका कि मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ।
Colonel Sachin Annarao Nimbalkar, who was about 23 years old and serving with the 18 Grenadiers as a captain during the conflict, was among the soldiers honoured with a Veer Chakra for their bravery during the war.
We were fighting with our walls, with our backs to the wall, and every inch that we had to capture was a big fight. In fact, the victory in the Kargil war was attained after huge sacrifices by various units. Like if I talk of my unit, 18 Grenadiers, we are bravehearts, that is 2 officers, 2 JCOs and 30 other ranks sacrificed their lives, and almost about 70 to 75 were injured and some of them are disabled for life. So this was the cost of capturing the features of Tololing and Tiger Hill as far as my battalion is concerned.
The war was declared over on July 26, 1999, after the Indian forces successfully pushed back the Pakistani forces which had stealthily occupied important heights in Ladakh. There weren't many TV channels back then, but the defining images of Indian soldiers celebrating the conquest became a symbol of their bravery. The Indian Army will mark 25 years of the Kargil victory on July 26th. Many programs have been held in the run-up to the main commemorative event in Kargil later this month.